$150.
Guys complaining about the price. Wants it done cheaper.
Well, we can do that.
Aren't those gate valves?
Yes, they are.
But now they're only halfway open.
Right.
So then... fucking plumbers are all the same. The fuck? Fuck me.